Hello everyone, today in this video we will see different ways of urine collection procedures. First of all, we will wear the gloves and then wash our hands or sanitize our hands. First procedure, collecting urine sample through urinal containers. We will take a new sterile urine container. We will take the urinal container and from the outer surface open the cap of the container. Do not put your hands inside the container. Now we will give this container to the patient and tell him the procedure that first you have to discard 1/3 of the urine, then take the container and fill the container with the 2/3 part of the urine, and then again discard the remaining urine in the washroom. Now we will take the container from the patient and slightly close the container tightly. Now we will take the urinal container and give it to the laboratory for the testing. After completing the whole procedure, we will wash our hands or sanitize our hands and then remove the gloves. Then remove the gloves to correct procedure. And dump it in the dustbin. Second way of collecting urine sample is through urinals. There are both for male and female urinals are there. Also, the process of collecting urine sample is same. The all basic steps are exactly as it is for taking urinal sample through urinal. Urinals are generally used for patients who have fractures in the lower extremities or in case of older people. Another way of taking specimen samples is through use of bed pens. Now, in this case, my patient called at me and he told me that he want to use bed pens. So first of all, I wash my hands, wear the gloves, and then I will sanitize my hands again. Then, for the privacy reason, pull up the curtains. Okay, I understood that you want to use bed pens, and I'm going to help you in doing that. Can you lay in flat in the bed? Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Now, if we look at the bed pens, we have two different types of bed pens. One bed pen is a fracture bed pen, which is generally used to the patient who has back pains or has injuries related to back. Another is a normal bed pen, which I am going to use in this procedure. Before starting the procedure, tell the patient what you are going to do. Like, I am going to raise the patient to the left side so that I can place bed pens under his butt. The procedure is as follows. First of all, remove the blanket from the patient. Tell the patient that on the count of 3, I will lean the patient to the left. 1, 2, 3. Now I will take waterproof blanket and put it on the bed. Then put the bed pen on bed and then slightly place patient onto the bed pen. Then cover the patient with the blanket for the privacy reason. Now raise the bed in upper position so that patient may pass the stools easily. Then at last I will sanitize my hands and remove the gloves. After 5 minutes, patient rang the emergency call bell, and now I will again wash my hands before entering the room, wear the gloves and sanitize the gloves. Now I will remove the blanket. Tell the patient that I am again going to lean you towards the left and take the bedpan out. On the count of 3, we will proceed. But one thing to remember is that from the left hand, lean the patient to the left side. From the right hand, hold the bedpan so that the content of the bedpan may not split on the bed. So again, 1, 2, 3. Take out the bedpan and water resistant blanket, fold it and discard it in the dustbin. Now take the tissue paper and then wipe the anus region and discard it in the dustbin, and tell the patient that on the count of 3 we will lean in the patient to the bed. 1, 2, 3. Then pull off the blanket then sanitize our hands. Then remove the gloves according to the procedure. Throw it into the dustbin. Now again wash your hands. Close the bedpan with the lid and then discard this content in the toilet. In the washroom, discard the stools and wash it with the jet and lean it in the washroom. Again, after cleaning the bedpan, final step is to wash our hands and sanitize our hands. So hence we demonstrated the correct way of collecting urine through a urinal container and through urinals, and then collecting the stool with the help of bedpans and discarding it in the washroom. That's all for this video.